Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Thursday, April 17, 2025. You guys already know how the saying goes. It's a new day filled with new opportunities. Make sure you guys capitalize on these opportunities. We're not worried about the wins and losses, 100% focused on the process, and we let that take care of the results. So with all that being said, let's take a look at the charts, any levels we might see, and any trades we might take. Alright guys, so here we are on the chart. As you guys know, every single morning, same procedure, we try to build consistency here because you know what they say, you are what you continuously do. And if you build consistency, build the discipline, build the patience, that is what you will be, and that is who you will become. So we follow the same procedure every single morning. On the left side, ES hourly on the chart. On the right side, NQ hourly, we mark out our session low. Session low is all the way down here, session high all the way up here. Mark it with the little line. Set alerts on both of these pivots, and also the 50% retracement, which you see here. Again, on NQ, the same exact thing. Session low, marked out with the line. Session high, marked out. And the 50% retracement is this orange dotted line you guys see on the charts. So what we're doing here is we're just going to wait for one of these levels to be tapped into. As you guys always know, we wait for our levels to be tapped into. There's nothing else we do until these levels get tapped into. It's super boring. My strategy is super boring. All I do is wait around most of the day until one of these levels tap into. If none of these levels get tapped into, then as you guys know, we'll wait all day and take no setups. But let's go ahead and take a look at the 2 minute. On the 2 minute, NQ came super close to the Asia low here, did not tap into it. As you guys see, this minor gap in between the blue line and the gray box. Price did not tap into it, so there's no setup there. Waiting for price to come back, tap into that. That'd be great on both ES and NQ. If we could get a tap into that and a possible bounce off of that, that'd be awesome. 50% level is not a valid setup right now because it did not price did not create a session low. It did come down here, but no session low, so nothing to do there. So what we're just going to do, we're just going to hang around, wait a little bit, see if it's currently 6:51. Market's been out for 20 minutes. No need to rush in any trades. We don't want to take subpar setups, so all we're going to do is wait here and be patient, guys. That's really what trading all it really is just waiting around, being patient, and waiting for your setups to present themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and wait a little bit, and I'll let you guys know when there's a setup that presents itself. All right, guys, possible NQ long here. We get this close above this gap. Candle closes in 2 seconds. Candle close.
Order filled.
We are in. Let me just stop losses here. Okay, guys, so I'll go ahead. The reasoning for this trade, as you guys saw here, I had it marked out earlier, both on ES and NQ, the hourly pivots that we had marked out here. Price came into these, tapped into both of these, and gave a decent rejection toward the north side. On NQ, the 1 minute created a nice, very decent sized gap here. Price went up, came all the way down here, tapped into it, gave a very strong rejection candle, as you guys see here with the bullish engulfing, and continued to close above this gap that you guys see here. So this is a bit of a continuation trade. We still have the 50% retracement level here. So I'm using that kind of as a magnet where price likes to go tap into and reject off of. So I'm expecting price has all these stop losses here. People think that the market is going lower. There's a ton of stop losses up here for the shorts, the bears in the market, that price wants to gravitate towards and stop those people out before it actually makes the move lower. So for that reasoning, I am in the trade. Hopefully price can come up here, tap me out, tap the 50% level, and get me out for a full +2R loser. But again, we do not control the trade. We're at the mercy of the market now. Whatever happens, it happens. All we control is the execution, the patience, the discipline. Make sure you guys remember that. So I'll be back here in a bit, and I'll update you guys on this trade. Alright guys, so here we are back on the charts. As you guys see here, price did come down, was very close to taking me out for a full -1R loser here. 2 ticks away actually, and then price shot up in my direction. Close to +1R in target, but didn't really reach the +1R. And then as you guys see, price came all the way down, took me out for a full -1R loser. Again guys, it is what it is. You don't control that in trading. Those are the probabilities. I could take the same exact setup multiple times. There is no 100% win rate in trading. Just got to play the probabilities out. So, alright guys, second trade of the day here. Jumped in on the short. I'll go ahead and update or let you guys know here in a bit. Actually, as you guys see here, the 50% level that I call out every single morning, the orange line here on the chart. Price came into it, tapped into it, rejected a little bit, gave another move up, as you guys see here. One more entry to get all the FOMO buyers in. And once it did that, created this nice, decent 10, 11 point gap, and price came and closed below it. So as you guys know, that is my entry model. That is my criteria for the trade, and provided it for me. So now I am in, and we'll see how it all plays out. Second trade of the day, guys. Regardless of outcome on this one, I am done for the day. Hopefully it works out in our favor, but if not, we don't control that, right? I'll be back in a bit, update you guys in here. All right, guys, here we are back on the charts. As you guys see here, entered the trade right here, actually. A little bit of drawdown. Price went against me there for a little bit, but ultimately, as you guys see here, did come out, take me out for a full plus to our target. There might have been like some random news that came out, not 100% sure, but it was working in my favor until then. And this large candle that came in and took me out for a full plus to our target. So pretty decent. I'll go ahead and show you guys the Apex accounts. Here are all 5 of them. I do have that one Tradeify account that I was able to get funded. Similar amount. I think it had $206. So I traded the fundeds all the same. Evals, I put a little more risk on to try to get them passed a little quicker. I do have a couple that are pretty close here. Maybe we take a couple more A+ setups on the day off camera. And I'll let you guys know on Monday how that goes. I'll show you guys executions for today. 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loser, as you guys see here. Plus 2R, that's the key, right, guys? Plus 2R, all or nothing. My winners are always bigger than my losers, and that keeps me in the game. Here's the execution. First loser. The winner was about 4 minutes, pretty decent. And that's it, guys. That is it for the week. Finishing the week green on these accounts, plus 3R on the week. It was unfortunate. Monday we lost the accounts. As you guys see here, back to back. Tuesday would have been a winner. Wednesday would have been a winner. Today's Thursday was a winner. Unfortunately, we took all those losses all in a row, and we couldn't make back up. The accounts couldn't hold all that drawdown, and we couldn't make that back up. But as you guys see here, the strategy is working. It's just that drawdown that the accounts, too much risk on the trades, and I never thought I was going to go on 11 trade losing streak. So no trading tomorrow. I won't be posting any videos. If you guys do decide to trade, please be careful, guys. If I was you guys, I would take the time to potentially back test or do something else. Try to get my strategy in order. Make sure my plans are my plans and my setups and my rules. It's all in order, and that is the number one thing. Your mindset that you guys bring into it. Make sure you guys are patient. You guys are disciplined. You guys are executing to the best of your abilities. Understand that this is a casino, guys. You're either the gambler or you're the casino. If you know you're the casino, your edge will play out long term. You have that slight edge over the market, and you will be profitable. If you're just a gambler in the markets, you will lose. You might win here and there, short term, but long term, your pockets will be empty. Remember that, guys. So we're going to calm down, take some time off the charts, and enjoy the 3-day weekend. If you guys celebrate Easter, happy Easter to you guys. Happy Sunday, and hope you guys have a good one. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Have a good one. Peace.